We have here 20 young, eager scientists. They all have their promotion. We have 10 excellent top scientists in the field of hearing and seeing research. The aim here is to teach the young people how to get their first own grant, how to get their own ideas be developed by means of additional money from the German Research Council. The German Research Council supports this with a lot of money. They have set $1 million aside, so it's a little bit like sport. Everybody competes, and it's beautiful to see all that.
Special is to come together with such very outstanding researchers of a same field. So in my part, auditory neuroscience, and it was very fantastic to communicate, to exchange between the different researchers of the different fields, and it was also very fantastic to meet some expert of the visual field, to hear their talks and to learn very special new things, sometimes unpublished new studies, and yeah, that's very impressive.
I think it's really important to show like the people from abroad, to show what we have here in Germany, to tell them, to show them Tuebingen, the special cities and the special city of Bebenhausen here. But the main thing is we do that together, like all experienced researchers and we young researchers, and so you have a possibility to talk using the theme of the place where you are to come into contact with the researcher. Well,
it's nice to have the tradition of these older buildings, because I think in science is all about building on the old traditions to find the new innovations that will allow us to move forward and solve some of these big questions that are facing humanity. And I think in this particular case, this group investigates the science of trying to understand how hearing disorders and vision disorders can be cured by things like regenerative medicine and stem cells. So these are ancient disorders, blindness, biblical kind of disorders, but we're using modern approaches. And so I think having the combination of the old and the new is really quite gratifying to see.
It was a little cold to go through the monastery, but it was only for like 45 minutes, and then getting into a warm room with good food was even better. Yeah, so I like that. That was really a fun thing to do on the side, and you get to know people from a different point of view. You have some wine, and you talk about things, and then so it's actually very, very nice.
So actually I'm really enthusiastic about this whole story. It's nice. Sometimes when you work a lot in the hospital or in the lab, it gives you back the idea why you did all this. Yeah. Then you remember yourself, okay, this is why you do all these things, and yeah, it strengthens you, I would say.